It's time to brag about another trade school again, and this time, I'm going to tell you about a place you might not honestly believe until you see the footage for yourself. When the CEO of the Southeast Michigan Construction Academy posted his picture of a gorgeous sculpture in their auditorium, I knew immediately this was not just another trade school. So I hopped on their website, and one of the first things you see is a video showcasing their new Sterling Heights campus. The first thing I thought was, wow, nice college campus. Nope, that's a trade school. This place makes me want to go become an apprentice all over again. But here's the thing, SEMCA and the stakeholders in Southeast Michigan, they don't just understand what the trades need today, they're leading the way by being an example the rest of us should be paying attention to. The big thing I want to share with you today is something incredible they did a little while back. Something that, in my opinion, is absolutely high octane for the future of the trades. SEMCA invited counselors, teachers, and career tech educators into their facility for a workshop called Constructing Careers. They set up stations where reps from businesses talked about safety, carpentry, welding, electrical work, and tools. But why does that matter? Well, when you train educators, you change the entire pipeline. You help counselors understand the opportunities. You help teachers see the career paths. You give them the confidence to guide students towards high-demand, high-wage futures. SEMCA is solving a visibility problem. They're showing educators what the trades really look like. They're giving them the same exposures that students need. And they're doing it in a way that's student-centered, human-centered, and future-focused. So if you're in Southeast Michigan or you know someone who is, and you're interested in seeing how the skilled trades can change your life or your family's life for generations, you've got to check these guys out. And if you're not in the area, go to their website and check out their store. If you're a supporter of the skilled trades, you're going to want to see the swag these folks have. So keep up the great work, SEMCA. We'll be following along, and we can't wait to see what you get up to next.